Consider this: will a robot take your job in the future? This question, while seemingly out of a sci-fi movie, is becoming more relevant as we move deeper into the 21st century. With artificial intelligence, or AI, rapidly evolving, it's influencing a wide array of industries, from healthcare to finance, from education to entertainment. Now, many of us harbor fears and misconceptions about AI snatching away our jobs. We're not just talking about factory jobs here. AI has the potential to replace humans in a wide range of industries, from healthcare to entertainment. Imagine a world where the doctor diagnosing your illness, the journalist writing your news, even the musician composing your favorite song, are all AI. It's easy to envision a future where machines rule and humans are obsolete. But is this picture accurate, or is it a dystopian fantasy spun out of our innate fear of the unknown? The truth is, AI does have the potential to automate certain tasks, but it's not about replacing us. It's about augmenting our capabilities, increasing efficiency, and creating new opportunities that we can't even fathom right now. So, is your job really at risk? Let's delve deeper. Scene script. AI isn't just a theory or a distant future, it's already here. Let's dive into some real-world examples of AI in the workplace. Take the healthcare industry, for instance. AI isn't just making diagnoses or recommending treatments, it's also performing tasks like managing patient data and analyzing medical images. It's enhancing the efficiency of healthcare providers, allowing them to deliver better, faster, and more personalized care. Now think about agriculture. AI is doing wonders here too. Farmers are now using AI-powered drones to monitor crop health, predict weather patterns, and even automate irrigation systems. This isn't just about saving time or reducing labor, it's about improving the yield and ensuring food security for a rapidly growing population. Let's not forget manufacturing. AI is making factories smarter and safer. From predictive maintenance that prevents equipment failure to robots that can work 24/7 without tiring, AI is revolutionizing the way goods are produced. It's not replacing factory workers, but rather, it's complementing their skills and making their jobs easier. Now you might be thinking, isn't AI taking away jobs? That's a common fear, but it's not entirely accurate. Yes, AI is automating certain tasks, but it's also creating new job opportunities. It's not as simple as AI replacing human workers. Rather, it's about AI and humans working together to achieve more than either could alone. These examples represent just a fraction of the industries where AI is making a difference. From finance to transportation to even the arts, AI is enhancing productivity and efficiency across the board. It's changing the way we work for the better. These examples show us that AI isn't replacing jobs, it's reshaping them. The future of work isn't about humans versus machines, it's about humans working with machines. And that's a future we can all look forward to. So, if AI isn't taking our jobs, what is it doing? This question might have crossed your mind more than once. Let's dive into it, shall we? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is more of a job transformer than a job taker. Yes, you've heard that right. Instead of snatching away jobs, AI is opening up new avenues, creating roles that didn't even exist a decade ago. Let's take a look at some of the job roles that have come into existence thanks to AI. We have AI ethicists, who ensure the ethical use of AI. We have AI trainers, who teach AI systems to learn and adapt. We have AI explainers, who bridge the gap between tech experts and the common man by explaining how AI works in layman's terms. None of these jobs existed 10 years ago, but now, they are in high demand. But AI doesn't stop at creating new jobs, it's also transforming existing roles. For instance, data scientists and analysts now use AI to crunch massive volumes of data in seconds, something that would have taken weeks without AI. Similarly, customer service representatives use AI chatbots to handle routine queries, allowing them to focus on more complex issues. Now you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, there's no denying that the AI job shift requires new skills. You can't expect to thrive in an AI-driven world without understanding the basics of AI. But don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. In fact, the AI era is all about continuous learning. It's about staying curious and keeping up with the latest trends. It's about not being afraid to dive into new areas and learn new skills. And most importantly, it's about understanding that AI is here to assist us, not replace us. So instead of fearing AI, let's embrace it. Let's see it as an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to push our boundaries. After all, isn't that what progress is all about? As we can see, AI is more of a job transformer than a job taker. So are you ready to ride the wave of AI transformation? So, how can we prepare for this AI-driven job landscape? A question that lingers in our minds as we navigate through this age of technological marvels. The answer lies not in resistance, but in embracing change, in upskilling and continuous learning. In this rapidly evolving landscape, our traditional skills may fall short. We need to add new tools to our repertoire, embracing the digital age with open arms. The ability to code, understanding of machine learning, or even basic knowledge of AI and its applications could set us apart. Upskilling, retraining, and continuous learning are no longer optional. They are necessary for survival in the modern job market. Yet it's not just about learning new skills, it's also about unlearning outdated practices and outdated ways of thinking. It's about adaptability and flexibility. Like a river that changes its course in response to the landscape, we too must become flexible, ready to change our course at a moment's notice. How can we do that? By developing a growth mindset. By understanding that intelligence and skills can be developed. By seeing challenges as opportunities to grow, rather than obstacles. By being resilient in the face of failure, and by continuously seeking feedback and learning from it. And then there's the need to understand AI and its applications in our field. Whether we're marketers, engineers, doctors, or artists, AI is set to transform our work. By understanding AI, we can leverage its power to our advantage, using it to automate routine tasks, to gain insights from data, or to create new, innovative solutions. The future is not about humans versus machines. It's about humans with machines, working together in synergy. It's about using AI to augment our capabilities, to free us from mundane tasks, and to help us reach new heights of creativity and innovation. The future of work is here, and it's AI-powered. The question isn't whether AI will take our jobs, but how we can work alongside it to create a better future. And with the right mindset, the right skills, and the right understanding of AI, we can not only survive in this new era, but thrive. So, are we heading towards a future where robots rule the workplace? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? We've journeyed through the present reality of AI, seen its real-world applications, and pondered its impact on the job landscape. It's clear that artificial intelligence is not a job killer, but a job transformer. It's changing the way we work, reshaping job profiles, and even creating brand new roles that were never imagined before. The key takeaway here is not to fear this change, but to embrace it. This is the future of work, a future where AI and humans coexist, where man and machine work in synergy. It's a future that holds immense potential for growth, innovation, and progress. So, gear up, upskill, and get ready to ride the wave of this technological revolution. In the end, the future of work is not about man versus machine, but man and machine working together. Be ready to embrace this future.